I know I've tested a folding hand truck before. Those are pretty heavy duty. What if you need something a little lighter weight, but you don't want to cut too many corners when it comes to the performance or the price? Kedsum has another option. Let me show you. So I tested out the Kedsum lightweight, and I say lightweight not because of its ability to move objects, but lightweight because it weighs a little less than some of the others, about 4.5 pounds approximately. And I tested it versus a competitor, same price range by the way, but the feature set was a little lacking. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so let's see what we get with the Kedsum cart. This is literally just how it showed up. I have not unboxed it. Strap, carrying case, and directions how to fold and unfold, but it's fully assembled. Obviously we'll probably have to cut the zip tie here, and comes with a bungee as well as a strap. So lots of goodies. I'm very curious to see how it's going to run when we actually try it out. Let's check out the competition, see what the difference is. All right, so the one that most closely matches, weight capacity 110 pounds. Not a lot, not compared to the Kedsum. Does have rotating wheels and stuff as well as height adjustments, but let's take a look at the construction. On the plus side, it is fully assembled, but it is 100% plastic. And that's probably why we don't have a 200+ pound capacity. We have 100 pound capacity. I'm gonna test them out close to their limits. I'm gonna see what they do. Let's, but like I said, all plastic. Those wheels do not look particularly tough. I don't know, we'll see. And then like I said, if I compare it to the Kedsum, steel construction, guys, much more durable. And if you look at the wheels, this is the same kind of wheels I'm seeing on carts that hold hundreds of pounds. You know, just visibly, this is a better cart. Now the question is, you know, is there a huge weight difference? You know, because obviously if you want a lighter duty cart, which is kind of what I'm looking at, you don't want one that is crazy, crazy heavy. All right, so by my scale, around 5 pounds, 9 ounces. And the plastic one, probably a good 1 pound and 6 ounces lighter. So in its defense, it is lighter, but it is definitely a lighter duty scale. Let's throw some weight on these, see what happens. So after the unboxing, I decided to throw some weight on there and just move some stuff around just in the basement. Not an extensive test, but just enough to see which one of those was going to be the better. And if you look at the footage and you kind of see what happened, well, I'll let it speak for itself. So guys, that's 184 pounds, and it's handling it like, I think I could probably almost sit on top of it, on top of that, and not break it. That's pretty impressive, and those dumbbells are pretty unwieldy. I'm gonna try it with the other one and see what happens. Guys, I gotta tell you, just one 92-pound dumbbell on this, and the way it sat down, I really don't know that I want to put that other 92 dumbbell on here because I don't even like this cart at under its weight capacity. Seems much flimsier. Like I said, 92 pounds, it's within the listed capacity. So I'm not asking it to do anything it's not rated to do. All right, so it doesn't love carpet either, I'll tell you that. The wheels are not great on carpet. Hey, it might be okay for really light stuff on concrete floors, hardwood floors, but everywhere I go, there's always some level of carpeting somewhere. I don't love it. All right, I'm gonna do that thing I said I wasn't gonna do. It did tolerate that. Not without. Yeah, something's gonna break. Yep, okay. We're terminating this test here before everything just falls apart. Obviously, when it came to when I wanted to use a cart for real, obviously I chose the Kedsum. It just is more durable. Guys, metal construction, way heavier duty in terms of load. If you look at the wheels, they're much stronger, much more easily configurable, expandable. Guys, this is probably a better bet. And they both have a carrying case, but I don't even bother. I usually just fold it and wrap the straps, and then it'll just go in the trunk just like this, and it works. And like I said, not crazy expensive, not crazy heavyweight. It easily slides up and sits off to the side in the trunk, stays out of the way. So this is something that you might want to consider if you're looking for a folding hand truck. I've used this for moving stacks of cardboard, moving boxes, a lot of heavyweight stuff, obviously some gym equipment, things like that. And it just keeps going. Now, if you look, you can see the wheels on this are dirty. Sorry, I'm not showing you a pristine product anymore because I've been using it, guys. It works. And like I said, I would definitely buy it again, but this one stays with me in the back of my car. It goes back and forth to work. So it is an excellent little utility cart if you do a lot of shopping, especially if you do any bulk stuff. If you need to move luggage or weird stuff through the airport that doesn't already have wheels on it, anything you need to move around the house, or in actually a kind of a lighter duty work, or I don't want to say quite industrial because I think they make more heavy duty ones for that. But if you need to move something that's 290 pounds or less and it'll fit on a cart, guys, this is a pretty stellar option. And like I said, super lightweight. I mean, if you look at that, I'm just holding it with one hand. So give it a look and see what you think. I'll put links everywhere that it makes sense to, and I will leave you with that, guys. But like I said, Kedsum, check them out.
Get 'em, Jay.